Mayan Rainforest Climbers is a group of biologists focused on canopy biodiversity research. They have learned climbing techniques to access the treetops using specialized equipment. Guatemala is a country with little research, mainly in the canopy. Our vision is to open a new field in the country to resolve questions about the biodiversity in the treetops. The Tikal project aims to create a collaboration link with the Tikal National Park between future biologists and researchers to promote canopy research and generate data that contributes to the protection of biodiversity and help decision-making regarding conservation of the species of the country. The project focuses mainly on creating visual content as a methodological strategy to generate environmental awareness in the Guatemalan population. Mayan Rainforest Climbers, sponsored by